Hello, folks. Richard Fontana here. I invite you to work with my internet coaches to help build your online income up to $10,000 a month. Now, my coaches are Fergal Downs, Trevor Carr, and Max Gerstenmeyer. And they will work with you until you actually make $10,000 a month. Now, those of us who are in this program are making some good money. So this is a massive opportunity for you folks. So don't delay. Click that first link in the description below. Now let's get back to the review. You can grab the product, the second link in the description at any point during this review. And I'll give you 4 exceptional bonuses. Now, the first bonus shows you how to supercharge your online business with over 12,000 free traffic sources every Friday. So grab it and you'll reach your online income goals quickly and easily. The second bonus is a highly prized product that shows you how to act as a middleman on Fiverr. And so when you get an order for a high value gig, as an example, you can buy the gig from someone else on Fiverr for a much lower price and deliver that to your buyer, and you pocket the difference. The third bonus, you will learn how to create a passive income. And here's the crucial thing. It's not any ordinary passive income. It's a recurring passive income. And you can do that with a certain amount of ease. And the fourth bonus will allow you to supercharge your results with an evolutionary system. It'll show you how to earn up to $186 today in just 3 simple steps, while only spending 15 minutes a day working the entire system. And you receive a done-for-you, high-converting website, and then all you have to do is turn on the traffic sources. Now, let's get back to that review.
Hello, fellows. Welcome to Ripple, world's first set and forget AI app. It lets us legally hack into Facebook optimization algorithm, banking us $793.95 in daily profits. And I'm going to show you how in this demo video. I'm sure you've heard about Facebook business pages. A Facebook business page, formerly known as a fan page, is a free tool for businesses of all sizes to create a presence on Facebook and connect with their customers. It's a public profile that allows businesses to share info about their products or services, engage with customers, and run ads. Businesses share information about their products or services with what is known as a post. The most common components of a Facebook business page post are the headline, a concise and compelling headline that grabs attention, summarizes the post's key message, is crucial. It should be short, clear, and use strong action verbs to pique interest. The description, a brief description that expands on the headline and provides more context about the post content. It should highlight the key points, benefits, or call to action. It's important to mention that headlines and descriptions are only used on post ads. You create post ads by creating Facebook ad campaigns. The post copy, the main body of the post that provides detailed information, storytelling, or commentary. It should be engaging, informative, and tailored to the target audience's interests. Hashtags, using relevant and specific hashtags can increase the post visibility and reach a wider audience interested in the post topic. So choose a mixture of popular and niche hashtags for optimal results. It is also important to mention that you cannot add hashtags to post ads. While you can add hashtags to organic Facebook posts, they do not have any effect on paid ads. And this is because Facebook ads are targeted to specific audiences based on their interests, demographics, behaviors, rather than by keywords or hashtags. And the visual component, visually appealing image, video, or graphic, is crucial to capture attention and engage viewers with high-quality visuals that align with the post message and brand. Aesthetic are essential. So some of the greatest benefits of using Facebook business pages include increased brand awareness and recognition, enhanced customer engagement and interaction, target and effective marketing, cost-effective marketing and promotion, measurable results, and data-driven decisions. But you're here because you want to use Facebook business pages for marketing purposes, right? Well, that's why we've developed Ripple. Fellows, this looks too simple, right? But thanks to advancement with AI technology, we've made the complicated to be extremely simple for anyone in the world. We've developed a Facebook headline generator inside Ripple, so you don't have to come up with brilliant headlines yourself. Here, you simply need to add the topic or purpose of your post. And Ripple will give you 5 ready-to-use Facebook variations created with AI. So, you can pick the one that best suits your Facebook ad posts. And not only that, these headlines are guaranteed to increase post visibility and reach, post engagement, interaction, improve recognition, recall, increase website traffic and conversions, and enhance customer understanding and insights. We can also take a look at the history. Here you can keep history of all your headlines generated by your account. Well, we've also developed a Facebook AI description generator inside Ripple. So you don't have to come up with awesome descriptions yourself. Here, you simply need to add the topic or the purpose of your post. And voila! Ripple will give you 5 ready-to-use Facebook description variations, just like we did with the headlines, created with AI. So you can pick the one that best suits your Facebook ad post as well. And these descriptions are guaranteed to enhance post visibility, reach, improve post engagement and interaction, enhance brand recognition, recall, increase website traffic, conversions, and enhance customer understanding and insights. And we can also see the search history. You can even keep a history of all the descriptions generated by your account. We have also developed Facebook AI Post Copies Generator inside Ripple, so you don't have to come up with effective post copies yourself. Here, you simply need to add the topic or purpose of your post. And here, Ripple will give you 5 ready-to-use post copies created with AI, so you can use them for your Facebook ad or even your organic posts. These post copies, as well, are guaranteed to increase reach, visibility, improve click-through rates, enhance brand awareness and recognition, higher conversion, strong connections, and audience engagement. And we can also see the search history button, as you can even keep a history of all your post copies generated by your account. Let's not forget about the hashtags. We've also developed a hashtags generator inside Ripple. You don't have to come up with effective hashtags yourself. You simply just need to add the topic or purpose of your post. Here, the hashtags will give you 3 ready-to-use Facebook hashtags created with AI, so you can add them to your Facebook organic posts. And these hashtags are guaranteed to expand your content's reach, enhance post discoverability, increase engagement, track campaign performance, and build a consistent brand identity. And you can even keep a history of all your hashtags generated by your account. And we've also developed a Facebook AI post generator that writes 5 different Facebook posts containing the headline, post copy, the hashtags, so you can just pick the one that you like most that best suits your needs. And this Facebook AI post generator has been built specifically for Facebook posts. The length, the content, the call to action, and everything is specially tailored for Facebook business pages. And we even provided you with an AI image generator that creates stunning images for Facebook posts at your command in seconds. So you don't have to do it yourself. Or, even better, pay anyone else to create them for you. The sky's the limit with this extraordinary AI image generator. But we went even further and provided you with a collection of outstanding AI design templates, ready to select, edit, anything you want, even with the power of AI, and download in seconds. We've also developed an AI video creator, which consists of easy-to-use video creator portrait, square, or landscape videos with text background image, voiceover, and background music in just minutes, all with the power of AI. But If you'd like to create videos a little bit faster, we've also developed a niche template-oriented AI video creator, where you're able to select 5 slide templates on the niche of your choice, generate AI content for each one of the slides, enter your contact information in the slides, and enjoy engaging videos in just minutes. Well, my friends, you'll find everything you need to succeed with Facebook pages on behalf of your business. And as you can see, profit generating potential of this simple yet extremely powerful app is just amazing. But I can't show it all in a short demo video. That's why we've decided to create a VIP training, which consists of an over-the-shoulder premium training that will show you step by step how to make money with Ripple the quick and easy way. Just get inside and see for yourself. Really, no other solution will give you as much value for your money. So if you want to get the most advantage of the world's first set and forget AI app that lets us legally hack into Facebook's optimization algorithm, banking us $793.95 in daily profits, then try Ripple today. You'll be glad you did. See you on the other side.
Oh yes, before we go, check out how to earn $10,000 monthly in that first link below. You won't be disappointed. And don't forget my 4 exceptional bonuses. They will show you how to supercharge your online e-business and get access to a ton of free traffic. They'll show you how to buy services from Fiverr and pocket the difference. And they'll show you how to gain recurring income online easily. And they will show you how to earn daily income using 3 simple steps while only spending 15 minutes a day to run the entire system. Now, thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.